Whenever we see this fairness ads in television, we always feel that these ads should be banned. But tell me something, it's always considered that being fair is beautiful. Whatever said and done, when we read a matrimonial ads, we see the first thing is wanted a bride who's fair and beautiful. Come on, we can't deny it because we read in almost all the matrimonial advertisements. So I feel that this is something which is inculcated in our society by many people, and we still believe that being fair is beautiful and fairness is something which you should have, and every girl feels very happy when she's been complimented saying that, oh, you look fair, you became fair. I just don't understand this. We all show off that oh, this is, we don't have any problem being fair or dark or whatever, but when it comes to the reality, we all like the word being fair, and that's why fairness cream companies are minting money. That's the reality, that's the truth of life. I still remember in my when I was in an adolescence age, I used to use tons and tons of this fairness cream, believing that I would really become very fair. And all my relatives and aunts used to say that you use Fair and Lovely or Fairever or whatever bullshit creams, the fairness creams available in the market to look fair. They really don't work, but there was some kind of psychologically these advertisements have inculcated that using these creams will make us fair, and being fair is something considered to be beautiful. Actually, these creams advertisements or creatives are made in such a way that the most beautiful girl is like she's fair. Not to blame them, because from ancient times, if you see, fair skin is always considered to be beautiful. Have you always seen that in fairy tales, the fairy princess or whatever, she's always very fair and beautiful? Have you ever seen a dark skinned princess? No. In all the pictures we see, the fairy is very beautiful, she is very fair, and that's how every girl thinks herself, that being a princess means she should be fair, and every girl feels that being fair is always considered to be beautiful. I'm sorry to say that, but that's what it is, that's the reality, that being fair is beautiful. Most of the actresses have denied working for or advertising for Fair and Lovely or Fairever or fairness creams. It's good that they have done, because at least they made a point. And I still want everybody in the society to feel that being fair is not beautiful, or it is, we shouldn't judge anybody, we shouldn't say that being fair is beautiful, we shouldn't tag someone being fair or someone being dark, someone being wheatish. I really don't understand. And even not only the fairness cream, even for the lipsticks and even for the kind of products, you say this is for the darker skin tone, this is for the lighter skin tone. Why do we have to brand them, and why do we have to segregate them? Everybody can use whatever they want. Why is that you have to segregate, saying this is for them, this is for them? I mean, which means that you are actually promoting that this is for the fairer people, this is for the dark people. Why are you doing that segregation, that difference? So I feel that overall fairness creams are being completely doing what they are supposed to do, because we as a society are encouraging it, and we are also feeling that being fair is beautiful, as we feel that being thin is also beautiful. Same as this, I think this is a marketing strategy done by this fairness cream brands, and it has worked very well. Applause to their thoughts and their creatives. And I've been seeing this fairness creams are still in everybody's house, whether it is in a very urban house or even in a rural areas. Fairness creams have made their mark. And though people like us who are in the urban cities, we still feel that fairness creams are something which we use. Though we may use the high end product, but still we use the fairness creams. In a very stylish words, we may use whitening cream or whatever, but still it's the same. So trust me, guys, the marketing people strategy has worked on in our mind psychologically, and we believe in whatever they say. I have to say only one thing on this is that stop doing this complete fairness thing, and stop saying that you look fair, you look dark, you put on weight, you lost weight. Why are we constantly giving such comments to people, and making them feel good or bad, whatever it is, it's their choice. So I think that in future we should stop this fairness cream brands by stop using these words. That is the first thing we should use. And another thing is not comparing fairness to beautiful. Being fair does not mean being beautiful. So I think I have put my points in whatever way. But yes, the people, the women of today should understand this. And yeah, if we understand this, I'm sure these fairness creams will vanish from the market, and I really pray for that day. Keep listening to my podcast on Be the Change with Jyoti. And if you have anything about this podcast, please do write your comments in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe the channel and like the channel. Thank you so much. Signing off, Jyoti Srinivas.